if you were trapped in a room full of spiders for some time, would you rather have the lights on or off?
Bro, first of all,
Ooh,
yeah, I chose this one because it just gave me that exact
yeah,
feeling.
the ick. Ugh.
And then I
Yeah,
was like, no, but I don't want to see him. But they're still gonna be there, and it's just fucking nasty, bro. So,
I almost want to ask what spiders are they,
but they're like fucking tarantulas, like nasty ones.
so they
Like,
can hurt you.
yeah, they can hurt you. I choose the lights on because then I would just start killing spiders, bro. Because if they can't kill you, I'm going out swinging, bro.
But then again, if you're still, they're still.
Yeah, but bro, let's just be honest. I'm not standing still with all these spiders.
I'm not afraid of them spiders really, but they're annoying. Like they're ugh.
I mean, even like one tarantula, I'm cool, man. But like a room full of spiders,
Mm.
that's a no for me, bro. That's like my ancestors way back knew that these fuckers were like dangerous, and that's embedded in me, in my
Fair,
DNA, and that's why I don't like them.
fair.